Hi, I'm Dr. Choll Kim from sunny San Diego, California. I'm a board-certified spine surgeon specializing in minimally invasive techniques, including the most state-of-the-art technique for disc injuries, the LES procedure, which stands for laser endoscopic spine surgery. Anyway, I'm very excited about our upcoming webinar this Friday with Dr. Stephen Derrington, one of my very smart pain colleagues who also does a lot of state-of-the-art treatments.
Hey everybody, Dr. Steve Derrington here. I'm a physical medicine rehabilitation physician specializing in interventional orthobiologics, which means I use things from your body to help your body heal. And I use orthobiologics to treat pain in discs and generalized low back pain. I'm very excited to be talking with Dr. Choll Kim this Friday, November 5th at 5 p.m. Pacific.
We'll be talking about how to treat nagging low back pain due to disc problems such as annular tears, disc protrusions, disc bulges, degenerated discs, and disc herniations.
Very excited to be talking with him. Hope you guys all check it out. See you guys.
So join us this Friday for a lively interactive webinar. Just click on the link below to register, and I hope to see you all very soon.